Let's edit and apply makeup to this short video to make it even more attractive to viewers. On CapCut, I'm going to click on new video to export this video from my file. Yes, I've done that. Now this is in CapCut. So it's time for me to edit this video. Watch and see how I will do that. I just click on retouch and it brought me to this page. Now let's make the face even smoother, and guys can also use this application to smoothen their face as well. I don't want it to be too smooth because then it doesn't really look realistic. So now over to the makeup, I'm going to choose the color of my skin or something that I like. Really, it doesn't have to be the color of your skin, anyone you like. So I'm going to go with that other color. Yes, I've applied that. When you apply the color, you usually have to close the CapCut and reopen it again. After adding the color of powder that I want on my face, I close the project and I'm opening it again. Now I'm looking for retouch. I'm here again. So what next do I want to do? I want to apply some lipstick. Yes, I want the red one. Yeah, the red one, so I choose the red one. Just choose the one you like. Okay, yeah, choose that one. I usually use Latina for eyelashes. Yeah, because it looks natural. Yeah, that's it. So I just applied lipstick and eyelashes. So now I'm done with the makeup. I want to even it out, so I click on even. As you can see, even is highlighted. All the ones that I'm using are highlighted. So this is the finished work. It looks good. Now it's time for me to apply a realistic filter. Yes, a realistic filter. And for live videos of humans, I usually use this one. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to pronounce it. Yeah, I will just highlight it there for you. Yeah, I usually use this for my face. It makes you look very natural and realistic. Yep. So I'm done with that. I just export my video. So you can export at this resolution. I always choose the highest resolution for my videos because when viewers are watching your video, you want to have the highest resolution. But if you can't afford data or you're trying to save on data, please don't use the highest resolution. You can use 1K. The other one, the second to the last, that's okay too. Sometimes I use it when I don't have space on my phone, but the highest resolution is always good. It helps viewers to enjoy your videos and watch your video all the way through, because a video has to be very good. Now if you want to compare this and the original one, you see that if I upload the original one, most viewers will not watch it to the end because it doesn't look nice, it doesn't look standard, it doesn't look professional. So to make your video professional, you want to edit it. If you're a guy, you don't have to use makeup. You don't need makeup. So let's export our finished project. This is it. You see how good it looks? If you're editing and adding makeup through CapCut, don't make your edits to be too much. Make it realistic so that it doesn't distract viewers from your video. So this is the previous one, the unedited video. If you're a viewer, which one would you choose? This or the edited video? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching all the way through. Please take a look at my live playlist and my long form videos. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.